I'm going to explain the vent hood kit from ADS. The purpose of the vent hood kit is to turn the fan on when the machine turns on, and have the fan run 40 seconds after the machine stops. ADS gives us two parts to make this happen. They give us a timer relay, and they give us a switch attachment for the conveyor contactor. One of the things that is needed that may or not be in the restaurant is the contactor for the fan. Here we've shown a three-phase contactor that has to be supplied based on the requirements of the fan itself. In other words, if it's a three-phase 208 like this one's shown, then this would be the contactor used. For a 110 unit, it could be wired like that, a single phase. The main point of the contactor is it's got to have a 110 coil. The 110 coil the 110 for the coil will be supplied from the timer. To install the unit, we put on the switch on the contactor. The purpose of this is when the contactor pulls in, when the machine starts, it completes the switch going over to the timer relay. The timer relay requires 110 volts. That goes back to the control box of the machine and is connected to the 110 circuit over in the lower left hand corner. You have your neutral here. That would be your neutral hookup. This would be your line 1 hookup, and that supplies voltage to the timer. So as the switch from the contactor makes a connection, it completes the 110 circuit here to the contactor. The contactor then pulls in and runs the fan until 40 seconds after the machine is stopped. The 40 seconds is set by the potentiometer on the relay. The important thing to understand is that this relay can only handle 1 amp. So therefore, most fans have to have some kind of contactor, which would be supplied based on the requirements of the fan itself. ADS, the manufacturer of the machine, recommends that a waterproof box be put on the wall near the machine. Also, the electrician or the general contractor would have to supply the contactor that meets the requirements of the fan. These two items would be the responsibility of the contractor and or the electrician on the job.